Hi everybody, it's Simon from Taro Analytics, and this is a quick tutorial on how to merge jobs in the Taro routing platform. Today, you can merge jobs in a scenario that is in the planning stage or on jobs that are in the job pool. To access merge jobs in a scenario, I've already set active. I can open the job action bar and click merge jobs. Taro routing platform then asks me what do I want to merge on, the job UID, the address, or the customer name. These checkboxes are cumulative, so here I am searching for job UID and address and customer name. However, if I only search for the job UID, if the customer has different names, it will still offer me the ability to merge the job. If I search here now, I can see the Taro has found matches. So it's found that there are two jobs with the UID of client 2, and there are two jobs with the UID of client 1. What I now have to do is I need to choose the job that to merge into. So here we may have jobs with different time windows or different durations or different units attached to them. The job that I select will be the job that any matching jobs merge into. So any units that were attached to a different job will now be merged in and attached to this job. So units or returns. When I select a job that I wish to merge in, I click the merge button and I get a notification that the jobs have been merged successfully. For the other job, I will select the bottom one and click merge. And again, I've been given a notification that the jobs have been merged successfully. Here, I can see I now only have 2 jobs, where before I had 4 jobs. I can also do this in the job pool. Here I have client 2 and client 1. Again, the same setup with matching jobs, merge jobs, search on job UID, and now I have the opportunity to merge again. So I will select the jobs that I wish to merge and bring them together. One thing that you need to be very careful on when you're merging jobs that are in the job pool is that you may merge a job that is for a later delivery or that is being delivered from a separate warehouse or site into the one job. If your operations have this as a use case, then you should never merge from the job pool. It is always best to bring all your jobs across into the planning stage and then merge once you're in the planning stage. However, sometimes mistakes happen and sometimes you do want to merge from the job pool. And so here I've merged, if I've accidentally merged client 2 together and I've accidentally merged 2 units or boxes. So for example, in this case, this unit is to be delivered in this wave, but this unit is not yet ready and it needs to be delivered in the next wave. And I've made that by mistake. I've accidentally merged the jobs. Well, what I can do is click the unit that needs to go in the next wave and send to pool. This will create a duplicate job and attach that unit to the duplicate job. So here you can see the job has been created, next wave, and we're ready to move on. And we have undone the mistake that we made before. And that's merging jobs. As always, please reach out if you have any questions about merging jobs or any other aspect of the Taro routing platform. Thank you. Have a great day.